Today I'm going to show you the solution to the key and 3 boxes puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2. So I press on play to go into the game. Now this puzzle is part of level 19, so I'll click on level 19 to show you the puzzle. And the puzzle is located over here on the door at the back of the room. So I'll click on the door. There we go, play this game. And what we have to do is put, that's the solution. The key has got to be inside the red box, which has got to be inside the blue box, which is also inside the yellow box. And then, so the first thing to do is we need to move this yellow box 1 space to the left. And to move any of these boxes, it's actually got to have the key inside them. And that lets you move the boxes to the left or to the right, or also downwards, but not up. Okay, so move the yellow box across. So the next one to do is to move the blue box down here to the bottom. So it's got the key inside it. So I'll move it down 2 and to the bottom. And then I'll take the key out. And now the next thing is to move this yellow box 1 space to the right. Okay, the yellow box has been moved, and now the next thing to do is to move put the key inside the red box and move it over inside the blue box. So there we go, it's inside the blue box, and then I'm going to move both boxes with the key up to the top right hand corner. And now as I move to the left, you'll see the blue box stays there, but the red box comes to the left. And I'm going to move the red box down 1 to that middle position on the left. The next thing we need to do is to move the yellow box down into that bottom right hand corner. So down 1 and across 1. And now the next thing to do is to move the blue box down 1. And now I'm going to move the red box across inside the blue box. And the next move is just to move those 2 boxes with the key down 1, and then it's going to solve the puzzle because the red will be inside the blue, which will be inside the yellow. So here we go. And there we go, the puzzle's solved, the door is open, and the room has been solved. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.